Hello and welcome to my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please subscribe to this channel and also click the little bell to be notified every time I upload. Thank you for watching. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to have a little tutorial on drawing bats on your face with an eyeliner. And this is specially requested by a lovely lady from Ireland whose name is Lilith Luna Lou. Lilith Luna Lou, this is especially out for you. And I know there's quite a few others of you who wanted me to do a tutorial about this. So I've got one or two visual aids to help me. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you the different steps of how you draw the shapes, and then I'm going to draw some on my face and you'll see just how easy it is. So I'm going to be using a KVD Vegan Beauty tattoo liner. Obviously you can use any felt tip eyeliner. I was gifted this one when I went to London Edge last year, so I was very lucky to get this, but obviously anyone will do. So here we go. There's several steps, so if you want to do it with me, that'd be fine. So I'm just going to hold up the different shapes that you're going to have to draw. It's very, very easy. So the first thing that you're going to need to be able to draw is like a curvy V. So that's the start. Then you draw these lines to connect to the bottom. They're the wings, obviously. And then you colour it in. And I've put a little circle with some little almost ears there, just to make it look a little bit more realistic. Now once you've done one of those, you might want to do one of this shape, which is a different moment in the flight of the bat. So you start like that, as if you were drawing a bird in the sky. Then again, you draw these lines here and a little round circle with some little ears. And this is how it might look, different moments in the flight of a bat. So practice on paper first is my first tip. Do practice on paper first. So what we're going to do then, I'm going to use my magnifying mirror because I think that's the best way to go with this. Give it a good shake, make sure all the ink is moving to the end. And we're going to do one, where should we do it? Where will it be easiest for you to see? I'll probably do it here, and then you can see it very easily. So because I'm old, I've got wrinkly skin, I've got to spread it out, but you probably won't have to do this. So I spread it out, do a V, and then do the connecting parts. My finger got in the way then. Then fill it in. And of course you can do as many or as few as you deem fit. So that's the first shape. I've left a nice dent on my face, and then we're going to do one of the longer ones up here. So I'm going to put my elbow on the table, give me something to lean on, and I recommend that as a way of making sure you don't go whoa and draw a nice line into your hair. So we're going to do one of these ones here. So we're going to go like this and across here, like that. Then we go down and into the middle. Oh, that wasn't very good. Down and in, as we go, down and in, do a little circle for the body there. You would think after doing so many of these I would have got the hang of it, but sometimes it's more difficult than others. And then you can just do some little ones off in the distance. I mean, some people use back confetti, but you don't get the different sizes and shapes with that. They're all the same. So that's a nice little grouping. I think that's a very nice little grouping actually. And as you can see, I'm wearing my Alchemy Gothic bat here, and you could do one like this if you wanted to, do him with a long tail hanging down, or here I've got my lovely Claire's necklace, which has also got bats with little ears sticking up. So if you've got something like this which has got bat shapes on it, you could just copy them or take it out of a book, or anything really that gives you the general simple silhouette. And that's the key to this, simple. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. It's short and sweet, but it is a bank holiday weekend when I'm filming, so got tons and tons of things to do around the house, as I'm sure you have. So I will sign off by saying thank you to Lilith Luna Lou for requesting this tutorial, and if you do, any of you, have a go and you're on Instagram, please tag me so that I can see how brilliant you are. So on Instagram, as you can see on my socials, I'm Purple Jane W. Follow me on Instagram if you're not already, and tag me with your bats. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye bye now.